So let's get into our 4 stocks that can explode for day trade Wednesday, October 29th, right? The first one we're going to roll with is AMD. Reason being, price action came down to test this trend line today but could not break beneath it. So we want to see if price holds this trend line tomorrow. Then we'll watch it above 263.19 and then the 263.76 and then the 264.59. Now, if we happen to break through this trend line tomorrow during the actual trading day, we'll take it down to 256.57 on the 255.33 and then the 254.39 for AMD, right? Our next company we'll be watching tomorrow closely is Tesla, right? So Tesla right now is inside of this channel. Now, we talked about channels on one of my previous videos, so just go back and check that video to see what a channel is. But if price happened to bounce or break above this channel to the upside, we'll be watching price above 468.96 on the 472.56 and then the 475.52. Now to the downside, we'll be watching Tesla below 452.21 on down to 448.69 and then the 445.64. Now, before we get into our next 2 videos, man, make sure you follow my account, like this video, and also if you're seeing this on YouTube, man, subscribe to my channel, right? So let's get into it, man. We're going to roll with SPY. SPY, man, is making new highs, but we still got a gap to fill. We want to see what price do as it approaches this trend line tomorrow. Today, we bounced off of it and made new highs, so we want to see tomorrow if price bounce off of this trend line or break through it. Now, if we happen to break through this trend line tomorrow, we'll watch price down to 685.47 on the 685.01 and then the 684. But to the upside, if we do happen to bounce off of this trend line tomorrow again, we'll take it up to 689 on the 690 and then so on because we're in that area or range of all-time high. Same with QQQ, right? So QQQ, if we bounce off of this trend line, we'll take it up to 635 and then 636. But to the downside, we'll take it down to 630 and then the 629.31 and 628.49, man. Like I say, we'll be watching these 4 stocks tomorrow, and we'll let y'all know exactly what happens, man.